Hi students, it's Mr. Henry. Now we are going to discuss a topic in mathematics, binomial expansion, part 1. In these explanations, I'm going to explain how we expand if the algebraic expressions like this, ax plus by to power n. Before I begin this lesson, don't forget to take your pen and your notebook and let's study with me. Let's get started. Okay, firstly, I'm going to show you the rule of binomial expansions or binomial theorem. The rule like this. Now, 1 plus x power n equal 1 plus nx plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared and so on. So look, this is the first term, second term, third terms, fourth term, and so on until n terms. And this theorem, binomial theorem, also like this binomial expansion. Look, this is first term, second term, third terms, and so on. Whether you use this formula, this rule, or this rule, you could find the same solutions or the same answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next slide. We're gonna find the first 4 terms in the expansions 1 plus 2x power 10 in ascending powers of x. Okay. Based on this formula, we're gonna find the first 4 terms, just 4 terms, okay, of these expressions 1 plus 2x to the power 10. Okay, how to expand or how to find the first 4 terms? Pay attention. Like this: 1 plus 2x power 10. Well, according to this rule, we're gonna find the first term is combination 10, 0. Okay, times 1 power 10. Okay, afterwards 2x or 0 according to this term. And secondly, the second term, combination 10, 1, 1 power 9 because 10 minus 1, and 2x per 1. Look at the second terms. The third terms, combination 10, the given 10 taken 2, 1 power 8 times 2x squared. Okay, and the four terms, combination 10 taken 3, 1 power 7, and 2x power 10 minus 7, 3. Recall that we just find the first 4 terms. Okay, so there is first terms, second terms, third terms, and fourth terms. All right, let's calculate. If you calculate this combinations, this combination is going to be combination 10 Yeah, 10 factorial, it becomes 10 factorials over 0 factorials. 10 minus 0 equals 10. Yeah, 10 factorials. Later it will become 1. 1 to the power 10 equal 1, and 2x power 0 equal 1. Plus, it becomes 10 times 9 factorial. Why 9? Because 10 minus 1 equal 9. 1 factorial and 9 factorial. Why 9? Because 10 minus 1 times 1. 1 to the power 9 equal 1 times 2x plus combination given 10 taken 2, it becomes 10, 9, 8 factorials. Why 8? Because 10 minus 2 equals 8. Yeah, 2 factorials over 2 factorials times 8 factorials. 1 to the power 8 equal 1, while 2x squared equal 4x squared. Okay, this is the third term. Now for the fourth terms, 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 10 times 9, 8, 7 factorials, 3 factorial, 7 factorials, times 1 power 7 equal 1, times 2x cubed equal 8x cubed. Okay, first term, second term, third term, and fourth terms. All right. This one, 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial is equal 1, while 0 factorial equal 1. So 1 times 1 times 1 equal 1. This is the first term. Second term, divided, it becomes 1. 9 factorials over 9 factorials equal 1. 10 times 1 times 2. 20x. 20x, and then plus. So this 1 is the first term, 20x is the second term. Now we're going to calculate the third terms. X factorial divided by x factorial is equal 1. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. So 5 times 9, 45 times 1 times 4 equal 180. 180 squared plus this one, the four terms divided. Okay, 3 factorial is equal 6 because 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so if we simplify, 3 divided by 9 equal 3 here. There is 2 here. Okay, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. So 5 times 3 times 8 times 8. Equal 960. Okay, 960 x cubed. Okay, now look. This is the first term, second term, third terms, and fourth terms. Okay, so the expansions of 1 plus 2x power 10, the first four terms are 1, 20x, 180x squared, and 960 x cubed. All right, let's move to the next slide, the next problem. Now this, we're gonna expand this expression 2 minus 3x power 7. Also, we're gonna find the first four terms. Okay. 2 minus 3x power 7. Yeah. According to this rule, it becomes combination 7, 0, afterwards 2 power 7, and negative 3x or 0, plus combination 7, 1, okay, 2 or 6, negative 3x power 1, okay, plus combination 7, 2 times 2 to the power 5 and negative 3x power 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, we're gonna expand till the four terms. The fourth terms, 7, 3 here, okay, given 7 taken 3 of times 2 or 4 times negative 3x, okay, to the power 3. Right. Okay, let's recalculate this expansion. Combination 7 and 0 becomes 7 factorials over 0 factorials. 7 minus 0 equals 7. Okay. 2 to the power 7. You have to calculate, you have to find 2 to the power 7, how much? 180, 128. 128 times 1, of course, because negative 3x power 0 equal 1. Okay, like this negative, it means after first term negative, the sign here negative, and combination 7, 1 equals 7 factorials, 7 times 6, I mean, yeah. Why 6? Because 7 minus 1. 1 factorials. 7 minus 1 is 6 factorials. 2 to the power 6 equal 64. Okay, 64, this one is a number. And times negative 3x, because negative 3x power 1 equal negative 3x. Okay, now look at this. Negative 3x squared, it means this sign becomes positive. Okay. And combination 7 taken 2, it means 7 times 6 times 5. Why 5? Because 7 minus 2. 2 factorials. 7 minus 2 equal 5 factorials. Okay, and 2 to the power 5 equal 32. 32, 9x squared. Why 9? Because negative 3 squared equal 9. Next, the fourth terms is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorials. Why 4? Because 7 minus 3 equal 4. 3 factorials, 4 factorials. Okay. 2 to the power 4 equals 16 times negative 3 cubed equal negative 27 x cubed. Okay. equal, of course, this one divided becomes 1. 1 times 128 minus 7 times 64. Yeah, 7 times 64 times 3. Actually, it's one positive 3 because we already put here negative. This one positive 3x. Okay, so 7 times 64 times 3, 1344. X. Okay, so this is the second term. Third terms, 5 factorials divided become 5. 6 divided by 2 or 3. So we're going to calculate 7 times 3 times 32 times 9. 6048. X squared. For the fourth terms, it becomes minus because this minus, and divided becomes 1. 3 divided, 6 divided by 3 equal 2 to here. And yeah, 2 divided, yeah, 6, 2 divided by 3 equal 1. Okay, it means we're going to calculate 7 times 5 times 16 times 27. 15,120 x cubed. Okay, so the expansion of this expression, this algebraic expression, for the first four terms are 128 minus 1 minus 1,344x plus 6,048 x squared minus 15,120 x cubed. Okay, now this, find the coefficients of the term of x power 8 of the expansion 2x minus 3 or 10. All right. 2x minus 3 or 10. Okay. If you're gonna find the coefficients of x power 8, it means we have to calculate combination 10, given 10 taken 2. Okay. If combination 10 given 10 taken 2, it means times 2x power 8. Why 8? Because 10 minus 2. And negative 3 squared. Okay. If we calculate this these terms, it becomes 10, okay, 9, 8 factorials. Why 8? Because 10 minus 2 equal 8. 2 factorials, 8 factorials, this, and 2 to the power 8, 2 to the power 8 equal to 156. Yeah, 256x power 8 times 9. Divided becomes 1. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Okay, now we're going to calculate the coefficient. 5 times 9 times 256 times 9 as well. and the number is 103,680 x power 8. Okay, so what is the coefficients of x power 8 on this expressions, this number? Okay, next. This one. Using the binomial expansions, expand this expression. 1 minus, yeah, actually that one a half x. Okay. 1 minus a half x. Okay, I'm gonna convert, I'm gonna write it down like this. Power 5. It becomes combination 5, 0. 1 power 5 times 2x times a half x, I mean, negative a half x power 0 plus combinations 5, 1, okay, 1 power 4, negative a half x power 1 plus combination 6 of, sorry, 5, 6, 5, 2, okay, 1 power 3, 1 to the power 3, and negative a half to the power, negative a half x to the power 2 plus combination 5, given 5 taken 3, 1 power 5, 4, 3, it means 2 here, times negative a half x cubed, okay, and plus combination 5, 4, 1 power 1, because 5 minus 4, negative a half x power 4 to power, oh, no, negative a half x squared. Wait, 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 here, sorry. I mean 4 here, yeah. Increase the exponent from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. While 1, the exponent decrease from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the last combination 5, 5, 1 power 0, negative a half x power 5. Okay, let's calculate. Combination 5, 0, it becomes 5 factorials over 0 factorials times 5 factorials. 1 power 5 equal 1. And negative a half x power 0 equal 1 plus combinations 5 times 4. Why 4 factorials? Because 5 minus 1, 1 factorials, 4 factorials here. 1 to the power 4 equal 5 equal 1, and it becomes negative a half x. Okay, this one, and plus combinations 5 and 2, it becomes 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, because, yeah, no problem. 2 factorials. 3 factorials because 5 minus 2. 1 cube equal 1. And this one, it becomes a negative a half x squared becomes a quarter x squared. Okay, plus this is 5 times 4 times 3 factorials divided by 3 factorials times 2 factorials because 5 minus 2 minus 3 I mean, and times 1 here times a negative 1/8 x cubed. Okay, plus 5 times 4 factorials, yeah, divided by 4 factorials times 1 factorials. Why 1? Because 4 minus 5 minus 4. 1 power 1 equal 1 times negative a half x power 4 equal 1 over 16 x power 4. Next plus this combination is 5 factorials over 5 factorials as well divided by 5 factorials times 0 factorials because 5 minus 5. 1 times a negative 1 over 32. X power 5. And it becomes 1 here plus 4 factorials divided by 4 factorials equal 1. And it becomes, oh, negative 5 times a half. I mean negative here. Yeah. Negative 5 over 2x and plus I think 3 factorials divided 4 divided by 2, so 5 times 2 times 1 times a quarter becomes 10 quarter x squared. 3 factorials divided 2, okay, minus 10 over 8 x cubed. And the next term, this one, becomes 1, and it becomes 5 over 16. And this one divided plus 1, oh, negative 1 over 32. One negative, not positive. 1 over 32 x power 5. Yeah. So if you expand 1 minus a half x power 5, this is the solution. That is one. Find the coefficients of the sixth term in expansions of 3 plus a half x power 10. 3 plus a half x power 10. It means n equal 10. So if you're going to find the sixth term, it becomes 10 here, 4, because 10 minus 4. Oh, x here, it means 6 here, because implicated for a half x. Okay, Next, 3 to the power 10 minus 6 equal 4. And now look this, a half x power to the power 6. Okay. We're going to find the coefficients of the sixth term. It means x for x power 6. And it becomes 10 minus 6 power 4. 9, 8, 7, 6 factorials. All of this multiply 6 factorials, 4 factorials. 81. 1 over 2 to the power 6 equal 100 64, I mean 64 64x power 6. And we continue to calculate. 4 factorials equal 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. It means 24. Yeah. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, okay, divided by 24, 210 times 81, okay, equal 17,010 x power 6. Okay, so what is the coefficients of the x power 6, or the coefficients of the 6 terms of these expansions, of these expressions, algebraic expressions? This is the number, 17,010. Okay, students, if you have any questions, or maybe some of you not understand yet my explanations, you may send me your message through my email, hendrik.academy21@gmail.com. Thank you. See you.